a free indicator brought to you by Myforex. Today, we'll take a look at the currency strength indicator, a tool that displays the strength of major currencies on your chart. You can check the strength of the 8 major currencies at a glance. This will help you monitor and detect trends. The indicator consists of a line graph and a bar graph. The former shows currency strength based on past data, while the latter shows currency strength based on real-time data. When using the line graph, you can specify which currency to display to clear up some space on your screen. You can also adjust the calculation period to meet all your trading needs, from scalping to day trading. One last thing, the line graph and the bar graph may be displayed on top of each other, depending on your MetaTrader settings. Turn the shift end of the chart from right border option on from the toolbar to fix this problem. That's it for the currency strength indicator. Please refer to the user manual for more details. We hope that this tool will help you in your daily trades.